Did you know that deleting a file in Windows does not always mean it's gone forever? In this video, I'll show you the difference between normal deletion and permanent and unrecoverable deletion in Windows. Hey everyone! If you want to understand how file deletion works in Windows and how to delete files so they can never be recovered, this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step. Method 1. Delete key. Right-click and delete. When you delete a file using the delete key, or right-click and choose delete, Windows does not erase the file immediately. Instead, the file is moved to the recycle bin. Method 2. Emptying recycle bin. Even after emptying the recycle bin, the file can still be recovered using data recovery software. Why? Because Windows only removes the file reference. The actual data still exists on the disk. How deletion works? Here's the key concept. Deleting a file usually means the file name is removed, the space is marked as available, but the data remains until it's overwritten. That's why recovery tools can bring files back. Now, let's talk about real deletion. To make files unrecoverable, you need to overwrite the data. This is called file shredding. Secure deletion tools overwrite the file multiple times, making recovery virtually impossible. Eraser is a free and reliable Windows tool that permanently deletes files so they cannot be recovered, even with advanced recovery software. Instead of just removing the file reference, Eraser overwrites the actual data multiple times, which makes recovery virtually impossible. How to use Eraser? Step 1. Download and install. Download Eraser from its official website. Install the program and open it. Step 2. Select files or folders. From here, click New Task. Click Add Data. Choose the file or folder or disk or recycle bin. Click Browse. Choose the file you want to delete permanently. Step 3. Choose a shredding method. Eraser supports several secure deletion standards. Recommended options: Gutman, USDOD. These methods overwrite the data multiple times to ensure it cannot be recovered. I select Gutman for maximum security. Click OK. Click OK. Step 4. Start secure deletion. Right-click on the task and click Run. Eraser will overwrite the file and permanently delete it. Once finished, the file is gone forever. Depending on file size, this may take a few seconds or several minutes. When should you use unrecoverable deletion? Use permanent deletion when selling your PC or hard drive, deleting sensitive documents, protecting personal or work data. Now you know how file deletion really works in Windows. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and comment below if you want another computer tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.